Hi everyone, welcome tonight. Thank you for coming out. My name is Kristen Lowe and I am a divorce attorney, and tonight we are going to be going over all of the divorce forms that you need to get started in the divorce process, and we are going to be helping you. And the reason why we're doing this for you for free is because we love what we do. I really enjoy being a family law attorney. I enjoy helping people through a really difficult time in their lives, and when I go to the courthouse and I see people struggling and trying to get through the divorce process on their own, it's really hard, and I can't help everybody with their divorce, but I'm hoping that by giving seminars like this that I can help more people than I do right now. So I hope you're comfortable. The reason why we're doing it here instead of at the courthouse, first of all, budget cuts, there's no way they're open tonight. And second of all, we have a little bit more updated equipment and technology than they do, so you don't have to deal with the 60s projectors. All right, so we have our person set up. I have pulled an innocent victim out of this audience, and they're going to be helping me type the forms just to show you that anyone can do it, and it is accessible and it is doable. So we're just going to do this real time, and mistakes and all, we're going to keep going. So if you have any questions, and I know it's hard and this might be a little bit embarrassing to be asking your personal question to everyone here, so you can talk to me afterwards. If not, give me a call afterwards. If you need to email me, let's do that, and we'll make sure everybody has my contact information. And then with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so we've survived the hard part. We've done the schedule of assets and debts and the income and expense declaration, so that's your FL 142 and your FL 150. The other two forms that we're going to go through tonight are mandatory and they're procedural. So other than making sure that you've checked the right boxes on it and attaching a few things, there's not a whole lot of extra work that you have to do with these forms. So take heart, we've already gone through the hard part. So as I said before, we're going to kind of go through this very quickly as far as the caption goes, because it doesn't matter if you're the petitioner or the respondent. However, you're going to, if you are the petitioner, say it's your preliminary declaration of disclosure. If you're the respondent, you'll check the box respondent's preliminary declaration of disclosure. So the bad news, and this is what I'm hoping that you'll all avoid, is that if you contest your divorce and if you fight all the way up to the end, you have to do this financial disclosure twice. Once in the beginning, called the preliminary, and once at the end, called your final declaration of disclosure. You'll want to read this going through here, although I'm not going to take the time to go through it tonight. Basically, this document, you need to attach a few things to it. One is your completed schedule of assets and debts, which we've already done. So you check box 1. Box 2 says you got a completed income and expense declaration. You've got that as well. The third one is the tax returns for the last 2 years. So the common thing I get from my clients is, well, I don't have my tax returns. Well, I'm sorry, you don't really have an excuse for that. So if you did TurboTax, they have them saved. You can print them out. If you went to H&R Block, great, go to H&R Block. They will have a copy. If you did it yourself, you can contact the IRS and they will send you tax transcripts. If your spouse did it and they have them, it's okay. Contact the IRS, contact whoever prepared your tax returns. If you have a private CPA or accountant who did it, you can get your tax returns. So that's the one thing you're going to have to attach to this one because you've already done the other two documents. As far as 4, 5, and 6, it's a little bit hard for me to talk you through this part because it's really something that's custom and something that as an attorney we do it, but essentially they're asking for you and they're not a form, so you have to say and make a declaration that covers numbers 4, 5, and 6. So basically your declaration says, I don't have any further information regarding the valuation of the assets other than what I've already provided. And I have disclosed all material facts and information regarding the obligations that we might be liable for. And I'm saying that I've disclosed everything I have known about, and I don't know of any other opportunities or investments or anything else that's going on. And then you're going to sign this, date it, and serve it. You do not file this document with the court. That includes your tax returns. So the only thing you want to attach to this one will be your last 2 years of tax returns and your statements that covers number 4, 5, and 6. So this is part 3 of your financial disclosure, and we're going to get down to the last bit, which is your declaration regarding service of declaration of disclosure and income and expense declaration. That is a mouthful, and I promise you it's the easiest one of the lot, even if it's the longest name. Hi, I'm Kristen Lowe. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope that I was able to help you through this really difficult time in your life. I'd like to invite you to hit like or comment or subscribe to our video series. If you have any specific questions regarding the form or regarding the divorce process itself, please email me directly at kristen@kristenlowlaw.com. Thanks again.